Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit PDF text using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file and I'll edit this text on this PDF file. And click on this home option, this menu bar, and select here edit option. Now click on this text box and shoot this. This text box now selected and double click on this text box and so then drag your mouse cursor and select your text. And select format option. Here you can align your text. And see this, you can change text color, you can change also font size and this font style, and also you can add new text here or modify text and remove and so on. Also you can move this text box. Yeah, this is in this way you can edit text on your PDF file. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.